Hello friends, my name is Alin Andrew. I secured All India Rank 4 in GATE 2020 electrical paper. In this video, I'll share my review on GATE 2021 electrical paper. So one new thing that they introduced in GATE 2021 for GATE in all subjects was multiple select questions. Questions in which you can select more than one options and they would be correct. But unfortunately for this year, GATE Electrical 2021, they did not ask any question, not even a single question was asked from this category, multiple select questions. And one point that I would like to stress is that they asked 31 questions just from numerical answer type. So the point that you need to take away from this is this number is increasing year by year. They are asking more and more numerical answer type questions. So people who are preparing for GATE 2022 need to focus on their accuracy, because in numerical answer type you don't have the liberty of choosing from options. You have to actually calculate the final answer spot on. So you need to improve your accuracy if you are preparing for GATE 2022, because they keep on increasing this number, the number of questions asked from this category, numerical answer type. And now moving on to the subject wise breakdown. As usual, aptitude had 15 marks. Networks unusually had 13 marks. It's a little bit too high, but an electrical engineer need not worry, because networks is a scoring subject for them. So you can actually get this 13 marks. This is free 13 marks, and the questions were really basic. So if you had practiced networks, then you don't need to worry about this 13 being so high. Networks questions number of marks for networks is so high, but you need not worry about that. And as usual, maths had 12 marks. Really basic questions were asked from maths. And power systems, the questions were easy, but it was a little bit time consuming. But if you have practiced well, same power systems, 11 marks you can score. Machines, they didn't try anything new with machines, similar models from the previous GATE. So you can easily score this 8 marks as well. I think a question from induction machine was asked, some questions from synchronous machine, load sharing of synchronous machines, and even transmission line, something about transmission line was asked, combining with synchronous machine. So I think machines, if you're prepared well, then that 8 marks is easy for you. Power electronics, usually in all the GATE exams, power electronics will be a little tough. Same followed this year. Power electronics, the questions were a little tough. Not tough I would say, but a little bit confusing. The questions, you could get them wrong very easily. So power electronics, as usual, you need to be a little careful this year about power electronics. The questions were a little bit tricky. And as usual, control systems and signal systems both had 8 marks. Control systems, I think they had a very nice question about a body plot, connecting a body plot with an R circuit. And signals and systems, I think they asked mostly theory, and Fourier transform. I think two questions came just from Fourier transform. So signals and systems, as usual, they asked theory, and they did not try that much new things with signals and systems as well. EMT, this number keeps on increasing. Like last year it was 5 marks questions were asked from EMT, all basic things. This year they increased it to 6 marks. And one more thing is, they tried a new model in EMT, calculating the potential in a path independent thing. So a new model was asked in EMT. The other questions were really easy. And in measurements, actually directly from measurements, only 1 mark was asked. The other 3 marks was actually combining some idea in measurements with networks. But I put that questions in measurements anyway, so you can relate to. And analog electronics, actually 6 marks was asked from in analog electronics, but the 2 marks I put in networks, because actually you need an idea of networks in that question to actually solve it. Some a brief basic of analog electronics. The question came from the basics of analog electronics, but actually what you do in that question is actually using networks. So I put that question in the networks category. That is why analog electronics shows here 4 marks and networks 13. But I could also have put analog electronics as 6 marks and networks as 11. That question was kind of like, you can put it in network or you can put it in analog electronics. Both kind of does not make a difference. Now digital electronics, this year they did not ask that much model. One question was really easy, based on a D flip-flop. The other question, 2 marks question, was based on a counter of the last 2 bits. So that counter question was a little bit tough. You could say people could get that wrong, but the other 1 mark was very easy. So that is the subject-wise breakdown for GATE 2021 electrical paper this year. Now coming to the difficulty level, I would say it is moderate to tough. The paper is not that tough compared to last year 2020 paper, but not as easy as 2019 paper. So if you take a scale of 2019 to 2020, this year's paper would sit somewhere here. So tending towards the 2020 tough paper, but not as close, not very close to 2019 paper. So it would be somewhere around here. Now I expect a cutoff about 33 to 35, but this is really unpredictable because especially this year due to Corona, you can't really tell how an average student performs. So there are a lot of variables, and this is especially true this year. In GATE 2021, this is a very special year for GATE, especially due to the Corona crisis and all that. So you can't really tell, but I expect somewhere around 33 to 35. And the topper would have somewhere even, I will not be surprised if he has even above 90, because a special student maybe, yeah, it is quite possible. Even above 90 it can go, but it's 85 to 90 is a reasonable value, reasonable mark for the topper. And if you want some in the top 100 rank, then you should have gotten a rank in the 75 or more than 75, and top 100 would be 67 plus. So this is all my estimate. It might not even be close to the real value. This is just my review or my take on the 2021 paper. So that's it. So you can actually keep in touch with me on findmytest.com. I hope that this video has given you insight to the GATE 2021 electrical paper. Thank you.